You see them all the time. They are the most common kind of crash, rear-end collisions. When investigators get on scene, the majority of the time they say the same words. This crash could have been prevented. From 2020 to 2021, crashes in Florida jumped 17%, and drivers following too closely were often to blame. We spoke with the Orange County Sheriff's Office about how important it is to keep your distance.
Out on the highways, I see people following way too closely. Studies have been done that show that it takes about 3/4 of a second to a second to perceive a threat, another 3/4 of a second to a second to actually respond, taking that foot off the gas and onto the brake. And then the distance of the car, because of the weight of the vehicle, the tires, the road surface, to actually stop. So they've come up with about a 2-second to 4-second following distance, giving a prudent following distance.
That's how traffic safety experts came up with the 3-second rule. Leaving 3 seconds between you and the car ahead gives you enough time to stop if that driver slams on the brakes. So how do you find that 3-second distance? When driving, pick a stationary object along the road, like a sign, a tree, or a light post. And when the vehicle in front of you passes it, you want to be able to count to 3 in the time it takes your car to reach that object. Sergeant Gerald McDaniels lined Sheriff's Office vehicles up for us to show us what those seconds look like in distance. If you're moving at about 30 miles per hour, it's roughly 89 feet, about a third of a football field. And traveling at 60 miles per hour, it's about 176 feet, more than half of that football field.
So this is 30 miles an hour. We hit our point, and it's not even a super hard stop, but we have plenty of distance. This gives you time to see the threat, react to it, and then come to a complete stop.
More than 80% of all crashes in Florida are caused by careless drivers, several who didn't follow that 3-second rule. Be smart on the streets and stay safe. It takes all of us to make a difference. To learn more, visit drivesmartflorida.org.